Doctor, what be the definition of cancer again for the listener when just they listen for the first time, especially for this our side of the world, for Lagos, Nigeria?
So we just talk, say, quickly, cancer means, say, yourself, for any part of your body, any part of the body, whether not from head or ear, eye, mouth, leg, the belly, just wake up one morning and start to behave anyhow. You know, they hear body control. Instead of make the body tell me stop, you know, go stop. You go grow on your own and they cause problem. Simple.
Oh, body part when they lose guard.
Correct.
Now cancer, when not the hear word on this steady.
Just they cause problem up and down. Every year, people they die from cancer. People papa, people mama, people husband, people wife, people daughter, sons, brothers and sisters. And we don't want to make that number increase. We won't reduce them to the barest minimum. Now, so I did social media one day, they talk last week, and they talk about something else. They teach 9-1 baby enter. I say, Doctor, I beg, talk about cervical cancer. I say, I beg, go, it's too big. What do you want make I talk about cervical cancer? He say, talk about them because me now, I said, they follow you talk, so I don't get them. You think can't touch me. So we want to make our people know, say, no use your body play. Many signs they will go give you in the beginning. But our people go sit down for house, go they buy a Ciprotab, go buy Bicham Flagy, they drink. You go say, may they can't give you drip for house. By the time the thing don't come waka, can't go far. You can't they come to hospital, come very late, and waiting the fit do for you, go can't they reduce. Now make we they put mouth. Say if your body give you one sign early, run, go hospital, make them check. If it be cancer, if it be something else, but make we know is and play.
Some of the biggest cancers when they affect people for this our side now. First of all, breast cancer. Second of all, cervical cancer. When we say we treat last month, and prostate cancer for men. I bet this that one day, but this prostate one for men. You know, say many men they know quick. They go just say their caca, they had them. They had them to go toilet.
Yes.
What if a sign for a prostate cancer for men especially?
So the thing be say, because you get another medical condition where they affect man for prostate. Yes. So one, no be cancer. The other one will be cancer of the prostate.
I bet break down. What will be prostate first?
Prostate now only man body it dey around the region of the pelvis where man they take piece that area.
That waist
region na there it dey. So piece they pass that side, they come out. So when you gonna get problem, most times na problem with piece. Now men they get. You go yes, man go tell you say you know they feel piece well like I they piece before. If you want piece, you go take time before you piece.
That is not gonorrhea.
Or you go tell you say piece go come out small, you go stop. Or go tell you say you dey hurry quick one go piece. When you reach there to piece,
na small thing
go come out. So all those things now sign they call them urinary symptoms. Peace symptoms, yes, and they affect elderly men well.
Okay.
From 40 and above, the risk, and if person don't get that for your family, maybe your papa don't get them, then it means say maybe you put your own eye for your body too. They monitor yourself. Those are the symptoms. And when they come hospital, they come late. Because they go down sit down for house, take different things to see whether you go walk. When you don't come walk, before they come that time, if you don't walk out, come off for that place, enter other parts. When they cause waist pain, go tell say they get leg pain. The thing don't move, come off from that area. You don't enter bone now.
So they move, they go bone.
You know they for that part again. At that time, they cause problem. The context say maybe your operation don't go fix off because you don't come out, go around the body. So if you notice say body they give you this kind of sign as man, no be to sit down, go they take medicine.
Dogoyaro root.
You see your doctor quick. The earlier the better.
Bros, like the cervical cancer for women, you bust our brain. Tell us say we get a vaccine when they fit take, even if it costs. Say we fit take for women, and it help, it prevent her. Men they get a vaccine for prostate cancer.
No. Vaccine no day for that one.
Vaccine no day.
No day. Make I say the word yet.
It never did.
Maybe tomorrow. Maybe something if it day. Where they go say take if you be like person if you get a risk of getting prostate cancer.
Blood cancer day.
Yes. Yes, thank you for blood cancers they affect even children, they affect adults.
Okay.
I get one question.
Yes.
I beg 30 seconds, I beg. Just answer for me before we run.
Yeah.
Somebody say tradomedical. They treat things like cancer, especially for early stages, not true.
Let's stick with what works for us right now. We cannot really say this is how it is. I don't want to say it if it work, but the evidence they out there. Do you understand? The evidence. If you present evidence and everybody say the evidence they work, fine. So we work with evidence-based medicine. We know they work with, and we just they think.
So maybe try dogoyaro.
No.